Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are liking my Andaman on wheelchair video series. So in today's video, I am going to share my scuba diving experience in Havelock Island with Dive India. Dive India is around 3 km from Havelock Jetty. It is a peaceful place right next to the beach surrounded by trees. Dive Center has mostly a wooden structure and that raw look takes you close to nature. There is a full moon cafe next to the dive center. It is a small cafe with refreshing ambience and tasty food. Other than the washroom, the dive center is very much accessible for wheelchair user person. Now coming back to my scuba diving, I contacted Dive India through email couple of months in advance. I mentioned my physical condition and my few diving experience in the swimming pool with my instructor Kshitij Mittal of Finkick Adventures. So after having conversation with Kshitij and understanding my needs, Dive India gave me a green signal to dive with them. I have done 2 dives at Havelock under the program of PADI Discover Scuba Diving. I began my preparation with a small booklet and a video which was included in their program of Discover Scuba Diving. Then they introduced me to all the diving gear and we selected suitable gears for my dive. After this, the next step is called confined water training. It includes getting into shallow waters and learn how to use your diving gears. I also practice some hand signal to communicate underwater with my instructor Vidit.
जो भी प्रॉब्लम है ऐसे करना है और दिखाना है. So I know what the problem is. Yes. You will attempt to solve it on your own, but in case you're not able to solve it, I will help you. Yes. Definitely. Got it? Yes. This is a sign to up. Go up. Yes. Don't confuse it with okay. Yes. जब कैमरा आएगा आप ये मत दिखाइएगा. All right? Yes. This is a sign to go down. Excellent. Now when you start going down, everything is going to be nice. You're going to stay horizontal.
My first dive was at Nemos Reef. It is very close to shore and I reached there easily by swimming in 3 to 4 minutes. It's really a different world underwater. You breathe calmly through your mouth using the regulator. You are weightless and absorbing the amazing surroundings. You feel completely relaxed. As the name suggests, I got to see Nemo in the reef, also with many colorful fish and different types of corals. I was down here for 40 minutes, but I didn't realize how time passed by. So this is it from this video. Thank you for watching. In my next video, I will share my experience about my second dive. If you like this video, do hit like button. And if you have any questions regarding my dive, comment down. And also let me know how you feel about the video. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel.